Welcome. If you want to report someone after the game in the Pokemon Unite, at the first you have to take a look here and choose this icon. Next, if you want to report, for example, this guy, tap on the icon, and here you can choose the reason of the report. So we can pick distributive behavior, or for example, or abusive language, or any other reason. So for example, we can pick this one. Here we can type something, click OK, and after that just click report. Of course, I'm not going to make it because this guy was very nice in the game, so I'm not going to report anyone. But if you want, that's the instruction how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.